National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Ogle County in north central Illinois until 12:30 a.m. At 9:21 p.m. Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the lower area. 1.5 to 3 inches of rain at 12:30 a.m. Additional rainfall amounts ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Source shortly.
Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard.
Flash flooding. Source. Radar and automated gauges. Impact. Rapid onset flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Morris, Oro.
Take precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when in
and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
The body was broken.